Welcome back, Car Club family. Today we're diving into the world of adventure bikes with Yamaha's latest offering, the 2025 Yamaha T700. If you're an adventure enthusiast, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Yamaha T700 has taken the adventure bike market by storm with its rugged, yet sleek look. Yamaha has clearly put a lot of thought into making this bike both functional and stylish. Check out these new LED headlights and the updated fairing. It's not just about aesthetics, it's designed to improve aerodynamics and visibility. The heart of the T700 is its 689cc parallel twin engine, known for its reliability and performance. This engine delivers 72 horsepower and 50 lb-ft of torque, providing plenty of power whether you're on the highway or off-road. And with the bike's lightweight chassis, you get an agile and responsive ride that's perfect for tackling any terrain. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the new suspension system. Yamaha has upgraded the front and rear suspension to give you a smoother ride, even on the roughest trails. Plus, the adjustable settings mean you can customize your ride to suit your preferences and the terrain you're tackling. Let's talk tech. The T700 comes equipped with a state-of-the-art TFT display, giving you all the info you need at a glance, from speed and fuel levels to navigation and connectivity features. Yes, this bike is fully connected, allowing you to sync your smartphone for music, calls, and more. Safety is also a top priority. The 2025 T700 includes advanced rider aids like ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes. These features ensure you stay in control, no matter the conditions. The 2025 Yamaha T700 is a versatile, powerful, and technologically advanced adventure bike that's ready for anything you throw at it. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting into adventure biking, this bike is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Car Club for more reviews, tips, and riding adventures. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.